It's been great working with Ippon, and quite frankly, we're super excited about continuing the journey.
I've had a very excellent experience with the Ippon team. It really feels like this is the start of a great partnership.
It's more of a partnership, and it's the service quality is going to come out in that partnership.
Ippon Technologies is a technology consulting firm, and our mission is really to help companies harness the power of technology to transform their business.
So we worked with Elephant Insurance, and Elephant Insurance stored data from calls between their agents and customers.
To use that example, you'd have to do things like survivorship, deduplication, probably some householding.
Something that makes Ippon different is our industry expertise. In the US, we have developed a sharpened focus in banking, insurance, and capital markets. So our consultants don't only bring technical expertise, but they also bring industry expertise. And it allows us to hit the ground running way faster than the competition.
How do we take a outcome-based mindset and look across an organization or even beyond the boundaries of an organization to find people who have the insight that you need right now?
When I was implementing the strategy of Ippon, I really wanted that we would be a one-stop shop. So the customer, like the metro organization, they come to us, and we don't offer just a solution on data or just a solution on the code of the application, but a end-to-end solution.
As you know, AI is on everybody's mind these days, and everybody wants AI, Gen AI. At Ippon, we believe that you have the right foundations for AI. You need to have your data in the right place, clean, governed, and that's really what we specialize in, is getting you ready for AI.
This is where we engage with Ippon to help us really craft what a data and AI roadmap would look for us to support our business strategy and help us grow as a company.
The second part is going to be about Amazon Bedrock, and also how you can use Bedrock to build a Gen AI chatbot.
With Snowflake Cortex, the power of AI is just a SQL statement away.
At Ippon, we believe in the power of data, the power to transform a business with data.
The expertise of the Ippon team really helped bring all this on-prem data to the cloud. We created the ability to access that data relatively quickly and on a nice, looking, modern tool set.
We were actually able to build out a whole new pillar in our bank strategic plan revolving around data management and integration strategies.
The data team is the warehouse team, but what you're talking about is different. It's not a horizontal, it's now a vertical.
They just really wanted to see, how else Cortex could help them kind of tap into their data and get the most out of it. So our solution was leverage Cortex to identify whether key concepts were discussed in the call and added them as queryable data points.
The one thing I look for in a partnership, when even talking about partnership, is shared values.
Sure. Yeah.
Right, and so really impressed by what Ippon does, not only for companies and your clients, and kind of doing things the right way in a very authentic, very flexible way, but also really supporting the community.
RVA Tech is a great organization that's local to Richmond, that's focused on growing and expanding the capabilities of the Richmond area in the tech space.
I know you are involved in the Women in Technology here in Richmond, and I think in DC as well. Talk to me about that. It's an awesome organization. I'd love to hear more about that.
Yeah, Women in Tech is fantastic. So it's really an organization about supporting women in technology fields. Often that is software engineering, so there's a huge focus in that space, but it really can be other general tech fields.
And it doesn't stop there. There's a lot of other community impact that that Ippon drives, and
it's important. I think it's without that, it's just punching a clock, right?
Yep.
I mean, you've got to find some purpose, and that purpose isn't always building IT systems. Yeah. So it helps. It's really great. It's a big part of what I love about Ippon too.
Yeah.
What does it mean to have a coaching culture? It means that everybody at Ippon coaches each other. I think it's really important because It translates to a great culture internally where people can be themselves and be better every day, but also it translates to the service we provide to our clients. So when we provide services for our clients, we don't bring a large ego, we're just there to make people better, and that's really important.
That willingness to listen and also spend time understanding our needs, which for me was really refreshing.
You guys were very vested and interested in what our problems were and what we were trying to solve.
They listen to their clients and they really strive to provide an individualized and tailor-made service for their clients. You'll never feel like they're just checking the box, but they really want to provide a one-of-a-kind service for you.